What unique experiences can you have in China every month? Let's go through the seasons and discover the festivals and natural wonders that make China a year-round adventure. January in Harbin is a winter fairy tale with the world's largest ice and snow festival. Marvel at spectacular ice sculptures illuminated at night, creating a luminous wonderland where you can ski, slide, and ride. As the Lunar New Year draws to a close, the Lantern Fairy lights up the night. Make a wish under the glow of 1,000 lanterns in Beijing, a fascinating dance of light and hope. The entire country celebrates Chinese New Year during 2 weeks until Lantern Festival. March in China welcomes the blooming of plum blossoms. Stroll through fragrant gardens around the nation and especially in Nanjing and Wuhan, celebrating the symbol of resilience. It is also the season to celebrate rapeseed flowers, cherry blossoms, and much more. April in Yunnan is vibrant with the Water Splashing Festival, a Dai minority New Year celebration, similar to the traditions in Thailand. Join the fun symbolizing purification and new beginnings. May's Tea Culture Festival in Hangzhou invites you to a serene world of tea. Explore Longwu Tea Town, savoring the legacy and tranquility of this leaf-steeped tradition. As a national drink, all sorts of tea are also planted in many mountainous areas like Fujian and Yunnan province. Feel the excitement of the Dragon Boat Festival in June, a mix of race, tradition, and zhongzi. It's a vibrant celebration of Chinese heritage to commemorate the patriotic poet and aristocrat Xu Yuan. July is an extremely hot season, but in Beijing, it's about the Lotus Flower Festival. Walk through lotus ponds in the old summer palace and Lianhua Chi, finding peace amidst urban bustle. August in Qingdao is a toast to fun at the International Beer Festival. Enjoy local and international brews and lively culture in this Asian Oktoberfest, influenced by the Germans more than 100 years ago. Celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival in September with mooncakes under the full moon. It's to celebrate the harvest season, family reunion, and Chang'e, the moon goddess in Chinese mythology. October at Yangcheng Lake is all about the Crab Festival. Indulge in the delicacy of crabs, a seasonal culinary highlight in China that draws locals crazy. November's golden charm is at Tenchong Ginkgo Village. Wander through ancient ginkgo trees, embracing a tapestry of history, culture, and vivid autumn hues. December's thrill is skiing in Changbaishan or Changbai Mountain. Glide down snowy slopes surrounded by one of China's most iconic mountainscapes. From the bloom of spring to the hush of winter, China's calendar can be full of traditions and natures. Every month offers a new chapter, a new celebration, a new memory. So where will your journey take you?